Did you know that the quality of your relationships can actually change your DNA? I don't mean metaphorically or in the woo sense of energy healing. I mean scientifically. Researchers at UCLA in recent years have shown that your relationships can literally alter your DNA methylation patterns, which is a fancy way of saying it changes your epigenetic signature and basically controls how fast or how slowly you age. This means that the people you surround yourself with may be making you younger or older. Stay tuned to hear more. Welcome to Break Free from the Burnout. I'm your host, Dr. Anastasia Chopelas, physicist turned energy healer. I'm here to help you make the quantum shifts to release the hidden blocks to your success. Your next breakthrough starts now. Last week, I worked with a young woman who was burned out from the fear of losing her corporate job, the burden of some of her close relationships, especially that with her mom, and facing an unknown future. She responded with more and more energy over the days I worked with her. She said, quote, "I didn't know what to expect. I came open and received very openly what you had to offer. This came at exactly the right time for me. It was a roller coaster journey. Some days I thought I'd cry my eyes out, and others were energizing and transformative. I feel like I've gotten my energy back after feeling burned out for so long. I'm ending the week more confident and feel like a new woman." The primary reason for this transformation came from changing the energetics of interaction with her mom. Once we cleared this, she felt joyful and energized about her future and free from the imagined burden her relationship with her mom caused her. What she discovered is exactly what the UCLA research confirms. Healing relationships, whether with others or even with yourself, can literally shift the biological markers of aging and burnout. She felt younger and more energized. She also looked like a completely different woman. So let's talk about DNA for just a moment. It is in nearly all the cells of your body except your red blood cells. They don't replicate. There's 5% in the human genome that's fixed, while 95% has been historically called junk DNA because the biologists and geneticists at the time had no idea what its function was. In fact, the 3 billion base pairs in your DNA are more complicated than that because there's a protein coating around your DNA that has even more information in it that we're not sure of yet. The 95% junk DNA is actually pretty amazing. It's not fixed and gives you other options. It's programmable by a process called methylation, where a methyl group made up of carbon and 3 hydrogens attaches itself to the DNA. It's what causes genes to turn on and off, programming you for fast aging, illness, and other issues, or the opposite. Here's what UCLA's research on relationships and your DNA shows. You reverse aging with positive, supportive relationships. When you do uplifting things like volunteering, providing you purpose in your life, it raises your vibe and also reverses aging in your DNA. Conversely, the lack of close relationships, high strain in friendships, exposure to more conflict at home, caused acceleration of aging from childhood on. So, the science is clear. Your relationships aren't just nice to have. They're shaping how long you live, how resilient your body is, how strong your immune system is, and how vibrant your energy feels. This is why relationships don't just affect you emotionally, they affect your DNA biologically. Every argument, every supportive hug, every act of kindness leaves an imprint on your genetic expression. Here are 3 simple practices you can start today to gently rewire your DNA through relationships. Number 1, express gratitude daily. Tell one person in your life you appreciate them. Gratitude has measurable biological effects. Number 2, seek supportive connections. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Even one close, supportive relationship can extend your life. For me, I went to a self-help group and started developing those kinds of relationships. And number 3, give back, volunteer, offer help, or simply listen. UCLA found that giving support is as powerful as receiving it for slowing down aging. And the great news, you can change your DNA. It's not just from the action of volunteering, nurturing great relationships, and even laughing with friends. You can also rewire your DNA quickly through energetically resetting your relationships and reprogramming your DNA. As you saw from my client's relationship reset with her mom, she became freer from changing just one key relationship. She has 10 other close relationships to consider, so this was just scratching the surface of what's possible for her. Both energetically reprogramming your DNA and transforming your relationships are part of a larger program called Quantum Alignment Mastery. It's a program that resets the energy patterns in your energetic and physical body, bringing you more energy, health, and improving your relationships. Graduates have gone on to improve their happiness, their health, and even from serious illnesses, and their businesses, either developing them or growing them. You literally change the epigenetic signature by these actions. In summary, your DNA isn't fixed, it's fluid and changes as you do, depending on your circumstances. There's a lot more to it, but this new research at UCLA has shown that it is linked to your relationships. It's also linked to how you treat yourself, how you think about yourself, and how you care for yourself. It's a living, breathing record of your experiences and your connections. For example, healing your relationships heals your genes, your energy, and your future. If you're feeling burned out and ready to reset not just your mind, but your biology, I invite you to join me in my Quantum Alignment Mastery Program, where we go deeper into reprogramming DNA for health, vitality, and purpose. Book your call with me at scientifichealer.com/quantum. Enjoy today's broadcast, give it a thumbs up or 5-star rating, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening to Break Free from the Burnout. Resources and show notes are available at breakfreefromtheburnout.com. Until next time, I'm Dr. Anastasia Chopelas, sending you golden healing light and success vibes to becoming aligned, confident, and prosperous. Your gifts are so needed in this world.